everyone, welcome to my channel. I hope you all are doing well. Friends, in this video I'm going to share with you this eye makeup look, this colorful yellow green trendy eye makeup look, and this one I have achieved using a very affordable palette, and this one already I have reviewed on my channel. This is Swiss Beauty Fashion Artist Eyeshadow and Blusher palette in the set 04. So this palette is actually not a new launch from Swiss Beauty. It is already launched before, but this variant, that is the set 04, is a new launch, and this has all the colorful matte shades, pastel shades, and I've already shared a close-up of this palette on my channel, a close-up and full in-depth review of this palette on my channel. So if anyone of you is planning to buy this palette, definitely check that video out. And in this video I'm just going to share with you this eye makeup look using this palette. I have also contoured my face using this set, this contouring set that is given in this palette, and I've also applied blushes from this palette as well. So before proceeding, please subscribe to my channel to enjoy more such videos. Also give this video a like and share it if you find this video really helpful and you enjoyed watching. So without wasting any time, let's get started and see how I've achieved this eye makeup. So first I'm going to contour my face using this palette. As you can see, there is a very good cool tone brown shade given over here in this palette, which I'm going to use to contour my face right now. And for that I'm going to use my angular contour brush. You can see, as you can see, it is little bit powdery. Now I'm going to contour my jawline. Next I'm going to use this brush to contour my nose using the same shade, the same contouring shade. As you can see, friends, my face looks so chiseled up and it looks very slim as well after contouring. So next I'm going to apply blush from this palette. I'm going to mix these two shades, and these are also powdery, as you can see. So as you can see, these two shades are very highly pigmented, and they are so pretty. They look really good. Also going to apply this blush on my chin here and on my nose tip as well. It gives a very natural look. So next I'm going to apply highlighter. So in this palette there is no highlighter given, so I'm going to apply this highlighter from Wet n Wild. This is Wet n Wild Mega Glow Highlighting Gold Bar. So you can see it is such a pretty highlighter. I really like this highlighter a lot, and I'll apply this on the highest points of my face. Wow. So it gives such a pretty glow, as you can see. Such a pretty natural glow. Little bit on temples. So now I'm going to start my eye makeup using this palette. First I'll be applying this yellow shade on the inner half of my eyelid. I'm going to use this brush. You can see, friends, this is a fluffy blending brush, but it is not very fluffy, it is dense, so it's going to pick the product really well. I'm going to place this shade on the inner half of my eyelid, and this is also powdery. So these are matte shades, so definitely they will be little bit powdery. So already I have applied concealer on my eyelids to prime my eyelids, and I have set it well using a loose powder. So I'm going to apply this shade on inner half of my eyelid like this. So as you can see, friends, the color intensity is so good, and this shade is looking so pretty on my eyelid. So next I'm going to use this small blending brush, you can see. So, and I'm going to pick this shade, this green shade over here, and I'm going to place this on the outer V of my eyelid, and I'm going to extend it little bit. So I'm going to extend this shade like this to my inner half. So once again I'm going to apply the same yellow shade to build the intensity a little bit more. So next I'm going to take this fluffy blending brush. As you can see, it is a clean blending brush, and I'm going to blend my outer edges, my transition area, using this brush so that there will be no harsh lines. And this step I'll be doing very slowly and very carefully, as you can see. Next I'm going to apply this kajal, and this is Stay Quirky Kajal in the shade black, and I'm going to apply this kajal very light handed on my lower lash line, and I'm not going to smoke it out. I'm just going to apply this in my waterline. I have popped on some artificial eyelash, so I'll be doing my left eye and I'll be back. So guys, you can see my eye makeup look is completed. So I'm not going to do anything further. I'm not going to apply eyeliner. I'm just going to apply this mascara. This is Essence Lash Princess Mascara, and this one I'm going to apply on my upper lashes and lower lashes to blend my artificial eyelashes with my natural eyelashes. So guys, my eye makeup has been completed, and you can see the pop of yellow and green on my eyes. It looks so pretty. I really like the color pigmentation and the color choices, the shades given in this palette, and it is a very gorgeous palette, and you should definitely buy this palette, and it is so affordable as well. So I highly recommend this palette. So friends, I hope you enjoyed watching this eye makeup look. So I will see you in my next video. Till then, bye, take care, love you all.